Hello and welcome back, dear subscriber. Today in this video we are going to talk about interchanging value of two variables and using third variable and using without third variable. So we will discuss each and everything, and also this code used in this tutorial will be provided on the product website, and the link will be mentioned in video description as well as in the pinned comment. Under this playlist of C programming basic lab capsule, we will provide many of the question solutions. So you can see the syllabus, all those solutions will be provided. So one by one we are providing each solution, and in we will also conduct some assessment exam for your understanding. So already we have provided two questions video, and now we are recording the third one. In upcoming video, all these solutions will be provided one by one. So now let's get started with the questions without wasting any time. And let us know if you have any other questions and you want solution for that. So here we are discussing interchanging two values using third variable or without using third variable. So let's assume A equal to 5 and B equal to 10. Fine. So how to interchange this value? So, and for interchanging we are first going to do using third variable. Using third variable we are going to do this. So we can also print. Okay, so let make third variable is a C. Okay, so we can do C equal to A and A equal to B and B equal to C. So the value has been interchanged. So let me print the same. So here what we are doing, interchanging, we are interchanging, right? Interchanging values of two variables using third variable. And here I am putting backslash n to break the line. So we use backslash n to break the line in C program. Now we are going to print the value. So print of how much A value? A value will be here. This is percentile D, at the data type is integer, and B value we can mention like and. Slowly you will understand how to write this, or when we are providing the tutorial on like theory of C programming basic, then I will discuss each and everything about this print of how you can decorate your words and each and everything. Okay, so A and B value we are print. So let me also print here before swapping what was our value. So I am just making it more readable. Before swapping, interchanging and swapping is the same thing. Before swapping, A value was how much? So okay, we can use same statement, this one. Fine. AB value we can also read from input as a input, so that we can do, but for your easiness to save your time, we are just making it like explicitly we are declaring that value. Okay, and if you want how to take this value like from user, then let me know, we will also provide accordingly. Okay, so let's run this program and see. So here we have not break the line, so we are getting a little bit not very much readable. So we are breaking line here also, and now we see. So let me show you. So before swapping, A value was 5 and B value was 10. After interchanging value, that means swapping, a value is 10 and b value is 5. So using third variable. Now we are going to do without swapping. Sorry, without using third variable. So without third variable, let me put like that. That will be easier. Okay. So just I am trying to save some time. Okay. So without using third variable, you might be like thinking how it will work something. So here we need another declaration because it is already swapped. So int c, we will do c equal to 8 and d equal to for another swapping I am just using it. So even we can print value, that value also for your better understanding. Okay. So this is C value and this will be D value. So you can write anyone, but I am just writing this all for your better understanding. Okay, so now how we can swap using that? So C, we can do C equal to C plus D. So it is storing C plus D value. And now we can make D equal to how much or something. Let's do some rough work. So C equal to how much we can do? C equal to if we do C plus D, then how much it will come? It will come 8 plus 12 is 20. Then how we can get another value? So that let us assume like D value is 1. So D value, for D value you can do D equal to D minus C minus D, let us assume. So if we do C minus D, then current C value is 20 and D value, current D value is how much? D value is 12. So it will return how much? It will return 8, right? So D value will become 8, right? I hope you are getting it. So let's do that. D equal to, that is just rough work we are doing. So D equal to D equal to how much? C minus D. And now if we need like C value, then we can do C value, how much we can do? C value we can make C minus D. Will it work? Let's see. C minus D. So if we do C minus D, then current value C is 20 only and D value is 8. So 20 minus 8 is 12. So that C value will become 12. I hope you are getting it. So C equal to, will make C minus D. Okay, so we have done this and this was the rough work. So we'll just remove it. For your understanding, I just did that. So now we are printing this and let's see how much, whether we are getting that expected or not. If not, we will do required modification and spot out what we did the mistake. Okay. So we are getting somewhere. Okay, sorry, here already we have declared C, so it is not being for that C. So let's change it because it is in one scope. Apologies for that. Okay. That way we can also spot out, be very quick enough to spot out what is the error. So now you can see that value is coming, but it is coming in one line. It seems very like clumsy. So let's make it very clear. Okay, so make it mode readable. Okay, so interchanging value of two variable without third variable is, here we are doing without third variable and breaking line, and now we are printing. So let's see. Before swapping, A value 5, B value 10. and again we can here use backslash n, so that way you read and do, that will be better. So now you can see better look. C equal to 8, B equal to 12, and after interchanging using third variable, A become 10 and B become 5, so it is already value is swapped. Now C value was 8 and D value was 12 before swapping, and after swapping, that is interchanging, C value became 12 and D value become 8. So this is the all about swapping or interchanging a variable value. So guys, I hope you understand it, and this code will be provided in DeepCodeGuru website, and link will be mentioned in the video description as well as pin comment. If you have any doubt, please let us know in the pin comment, and also let us know if you have any queries about any other program. Please watch the complete video, and if you really like our video, if this video seems helpful for you, then only subscribe the channel and share this video with your friend and junior, senior. Thanks a lot again for watching this video. Have a good day. Happy learning.